This is not simply another substandard medical drug. This is an illegal medical drug. How did this drug enter the medical supply division of the Ministry of Health? How does it enter the hospital system of the country? Can absolutely anyone provide absolutely anything to the medical supply division? Can these drugs be injected to the patient's bodies? This is not something that can be considered as a mild lapse. This very expensive drug is a vaccine. It is prepared by separating the plasma in human bodies. This vaccine is mostly administered to neurological patients. If something goes wrong with its complicated production process, the patients could even contract diseases such as HIV or hepatitis. If such a virus is present in this medicine, it could gravely jeopardize the lives of the general public. What exactly has happened here? The Medical Supply Division had given a tender to purchase 22,500 vials of this drug, named human immunoglobulin, and received more than 3,000 of it. This drug was tested following multiple incidents of complications arising in children to whom the drug was administered. That is when it was revealed that the human immunoglobulin does not conform to any prescribed standard. The drug was imported through a waiver of registration, a process which allows for emergency purchasing of medicine. The NMRA says that the waiver used to import this medicine was forged. Institutions under the Ministry of Health are pointing fingers at each other. No one has accepted responsibility for this to date. Can the Medical Supplies Division or absolutely anyone import drugs based on forged letters? This is another grave revelation. According to the information revealed so far, this drug is not an imported one. It has been illegally manufactured in Sri Lanka. The Ministry of Health has purchased each illegally manufactured vial at a price of $130, which now amounts to about 42,000 rupees. In order to purchase 22,500 vials of the drug, about $3 million of the people's money needs to be allocated. While submitting the documents for the tender, the supplier had stated that the raw materials would be imported from India and prepared in this country. It is said in this document that their company named Isolus Biotech Pharma AG in Sri Lanka manufactures a drug named human immunoglobulin by importing raw materials from India's Live Health company. The Ministry of Health had accepted this letter and awarded them the tender. However, the issue is that until now, this company called Isolus Biotech Pharma AG does not have any approval or qualification to even manufacture a vitamin pill, let alone a vital drug like human immunoglobulin. The NMRA itself confirmed this.
මේ Isolus Biotech කියන company එකට එයා manufacturer කෙනෙක් හැටියට application එක
Applications have been sent to this company called Isolus Biotech as manufacturer. I think the first one was submitted in 2013. They invited the NMRA from time to time for inspections and requested the GMP certificate. All manufacturers need the GMP certificate. That is the Good Manufacturing Practice certificate. Now to give that GMP certificate, we, the NMRA, need to be satisfied with the manufacturer. The guideline we use is the WHO GMP guideline. The director board had visited this company several times, and we had even visited this facility once after the current board was appointed. They did not conform to our requirements. Therefore, we did not issue a GMP certificate.
If so, how did this company manage to provide a drug of this sort to the Medical Supply Division? Although there is an ongoing CID investigation, it shows no progress.
Let's say someone is brewing moonshine. There is a way to capture those responsible for it. This company wasn't manufacturing the drugs secretly. The board of the building was taken down only a few days ago. Until then, this company openly went on to manufacture this drug. They had been requesting permission to manufacture medicines since 2011, but hadn't been granted permission. That means NMRA knows that this company is not allowed to manufacture the drug. It cannot manufacture anything at all. They should go and check. Let's say they were brewing moonshine in this factory in Sidua. They still wouldn't raid the place. Medicines for which there is no identified manufacturer come into the country and it is made from blood plasma. Many diseases such as HIV, AIDS and hepatitis B could be transmitted through this. No one knows if the people to whom this was administered to have been tested or not. If the officials who have caused so much harm to the people of this country are still kept in their positions and if they cannot be removed from their positions, if the Ministry of Health is holding media conferences with the permission of the minister, then they must certainly have something to do with this.
Shouldn't the Ministry of Health, Medical Supply Division, NMRA and the State Pharmaceutical Corporation answer to the people? Remember that even though the pockets of some are filled with millions of dollars and rupees because of such deals, the lives of the people are being toyed with. These are murderous scams.